Goa Chief Minister's yesterday's statement diluting the issue of diversion of Madai and the approval given thereof. There is a feeling in Goa that Goa's interests are being sacrificed at the altar of by-elections in Karnataka. Hence, we have filed this case. The Goa Forward Party has filed a petition in the NGT as promised to the people of Goa. This will allow the MOEF ministry as well as the states of Karnataka and Goa and their governments to come clean and show whether they are sincere about the interests of the state. I am thanking the team of former Advocate General of Goa, Mr. Dr. Prasad Lavande, for the quick and effective response and for having helped the Goa Forward Party to fulfill its commitment to the people to file this case. Now the matter is in front of the NGT, so I don't want to discuss on the matter, and we hope that Goa will get justice. We are also exploring the political option by being party to the all-party delegation, which is going to call on the Union MOEF Minister Prakash Javadekar very soon.